Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Like I said in previous videos, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, click on the bell so you'll be notified every time that I post. And I'm about to say let's get to it, but don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below any video ideas that you would like to see from me. So let's go straight into the video. So as you know by the time of this video, it is a review. So I'm doing this longer awaited review. I guess it's longer awaited for me. I don't know about you guys, but it's longer awaited for me. So I'm doing a review on the Miche beauty products. I've already used the products. I did a 3-strand twist out, and this is how it's looking. This is after all the Georgia humidity. Like I've always had, like especially in this, on this side, these really curly pieces. And then this is this side right here. Again, if you look at the back. So my hair is really, really soft still. I did this on Sunday. I took it out on Wednesday, and today is Friday. So my hair still feels really, really soft. It still looks really, really nice, but I am going to wash it. I know it's sad, but I have something to do tomorrow, and I want to wear my hair a specific way. Anyway, so the first product, by the way, either there will be a demo after this or before this. I don't know how I'm going to set it up just yet. But anyway, so the first product I'm going to give my opinion about is the Miche Cleanse Moisturizing and Cleansing Sulfate Free Shampoo. So this is what it looks like. It says it gently and thoroughly removes product buildup without stripping hair or scalp of natural oils. So the first thing that I loved about this shampoo was that it smells so good. It smells so good. It smells like candy. Like, it smells like Nerds or Jolly Ranchers or something. It smells so good. Like, oh my God. It smells so good. And I don't know if you can tell, but I only, for my entire head, like, I did it in the shower. For my entire head, like all of this hair, I only use this much shampoo. Yeah, you can see it. So I only use that much shampoo for my entire head. I usually use a lot more shampoo. Even with the Texture ID shampoo, I used a lot more shampoo. Like, and I only use like this much shampoo for my entire head. Like, it lathers so good. My hair did not feel stripped. It didn't feel clean. It wasn't squeaky clean like I'm used to and kind of like expect and enjoy. But you know, like I can live with this. Like it's probably the first shampoo other than the Texture ID shampoo that I know cleanses my hair, but like my hair still feels really soft. It doesn't feel tangled. It doesn't feel matted. I probably can. I could finger detangle with this. Like I can do light finger detangling with this, which I've never done. Like, but I actually had the urge to, and it worked. So definitely going to keep this shampoo. I definitely will order more of this. So if you need a moisturizing shampoo that's going to last you forever and it smells good and your hair is just going to be A1, I highly recommend this product. Like, I really love this product. Next one is the deep conditioner. This is not the strengthening deep conditioner. It's the moisturizing. Deep conditioner. It's called Indulge Moisturizing Deep Conditioner, made with raw honey and basu oil. So it comes in a 9-ounce little container. I use only that much. You can kind of tell. I didn't really use a lot for my whole entire head. I did use a lot more than normal when I'm doing it in the shower. And when I'm doing it out the shower, I tend to use a lot more product. But it's really, really thick. This smells really, really good too. But it smells like candy, but it's not as sweet as that smell. But when I put this on my hair, I didn't think that it was going to moisturize my hair, because it's like, it was easy to detangle. I had no issue detangling it. It went on really smooth, like my hair absorbed it. But it's like, for some reason, I was like, I don't think this is going to work as much. Like, I don't think it's going to do what I want it to do. So, but when I washed it out, like, I literally, the thing is, I normally do a deep conditioner in the shower. I'll take a shower and then I'll rinse it out. But because I didn't think this was going to really work, I ended up leaving it on outside the shower and wrapping a plastic bag around my head to give it a little bit more deeper penetration. So when I finally rinsed this out, like, my hair felt so soft. Like, I mean, like, insanely soft, and it smelled so good. I was just like, all in my head, and it was like, it was defined, but it was big. It was just a lot. I was just like, oh my God, like, I love this. Like, I can't wait to try the strengthening and moisturizing deep conditioner. I hope that it does my hair justice, but I really, really like this one. Like, I love deep conditioners, if you don't know, by the way, and this is definitely like one of the best deep conditioners ever. Next product, the Lavish Leave-In Conditioner. So for this conditioner, it's kind of been laying on the side. So this conditioner is pretty thick, but it's not like too thick to pump out like some conditioners are, leave-ins. Like, it's thick, but it's not like too thick or whatever. This is the consistency. Like, it's not that thick, but it's thick, if that makes sense. But this product and the twisting butter reminded me of hair grease. Yeah, I know that's not what you expected to hear, but it reminded me of hair grease in the sense of the smell. Like, and equating the smell to hair grease makes you think of hair grease and how it feels actually on your hair. So that's, oh man, sorry, hold on. So I didn't have a pleasant experience with this, but the simple fact that it smells like a hair grease my mom used to grease my scalp with. And when I was putting it on, I didn't feel like it was actually penetrating my hair and soaking into my hair or any of that thing. Like this, and then, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath now. And I didn't really use a lot of this. I used about maybe a little bit above the line for my entire head. And then I used the Miche quenched, hydrated, and twisting butter made with kapasu butter and mango butter. So, and I literally used that much. Like, I didn't even touch this. Like, this little indent you see just came from the packaging. I literally just took, I don't know if you can see, I literally just took some off the top and added to the hair. Like, and it felt, to me, this felt just like this. I didn't see a difference. But they do work well together. I can say that. And I really wasn't expecting my hair to come out soft, moisturized. Like, I expected the twist to be just, no. But even when, like, I noticed, like, the second day of having the twist in my head, that the twists were plump and juicy and shiny and soft. I was like, oh, this is going to be so, so nice. And it was. Like, my hair is still so soft. And you still can see a lot of definition. Like, it was fighting, like, humidity, like, rain. And I didn't put on a bonnet in the rain. I didn't cover up my hair. And this is what it looks like. Good thing, though, the smell fades, because it smells like hair grease. And I really don't like the smell. It's a huge difference from these two smells, which smells like candy And I love the smell of these, but I don't like the smell of these products. So I don't know, like, it's kind of weird, but these do really, really well. And I typically don't like butters, like really thick butters, like how thick this is, but it doesn't have the consistency of butter, like shea butter or anything like that. I don't like those butters because I feel like they make my hair really, really greasy, and they just sit on top of my hair. It doesn't really penetrate my hair or do anything for me. So yeah, but I give the whole line an 8.5 out of 10, just because I don't like the smell of those two products. And it just took a minute to kind of like get past that. And yeah, it's just a whole psychological thing. My favorite, which is surprising now that I think about it, my favorite product from that line would be the shampoo. Just because, like I said, I can lightly finger detangle with this. If my hair, even if my hair is like extremely tangled, I don't have to use a lot of it, and it smells so good. I mean, like, so good. So I definitely highly recommend this. If you're not into shampoos, then definitely the deep conditioner, and I would definitely do the leave-in. I feel like you can do the leave-in without the twisting butter. So if you just want to get two products that are highly moisturizing, then definitely these products. But if you want the extra moisture, the twisting butter. But it's all up to you. So anyway, that is my review on these products. If you agree with me, or if you've tried these products or whatever, just comment down below. Let's have a conversation. Let's go back and forth to see which is the best product, or if you want to try these products. Anything like that doesn't really matter. And subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.